Hey guys, Russ Morrison with Chasing the Checkers. It's Saturday morning. We're going to work on getting the steps done today and the door opening for the door. And then put the channels underneath the camper to where they meet up to put onto the bus frame. Let's get to it.
Going country, yeah, they love me up there and down there too. When I'm doing the shows, all of the roads, man, they be going so crazy.
Hey guys, it's Monday night. Yesterday I got the stairs all bent, all tacked in. I'm gonna finish up cutting the edges, smoothing the edges, and finish welding them tonight. And then we're pretty much ready to start putting the channels under the camper frame. So I'm hoping by this next weekend to have that on. So let's get to it. Well, guys, I got all steps are all welded in. Turned out pretty sweet. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night. We're actually putting channels underneath the camper now. I got 2 of them in. I got some stuff in the way. We're gonna have to cut and take some stuff out. I took all the duct work out. We're gonna redo that. And all the insulation. This had the Arctic package, so got all that out of the way. Now I'm just starting. Gonna cut these gel jack posts off. Pretty much take off whatever we can take off to reduce some of the weight. But let's get to it. Yeah, guys, so you can see this is actually right in line with one of the channels that we got to put in. The slide out rod actually runs right through it, and they got it notched out, so I'm gonna have to notch out all the channels through that section and then probably piece the slide rail back into it. But if I get the channel up to it, mark the hole so we have a hole for the rest of them. But let's get back to it. Hey guys, it's Thursday night. I actually just got this first channel with the notch in. I had to cut this top channel down in order to get it in because it was in line with it. But we're gonna end this week's video here. So hopefully this weekend we'll be getting this put onto the frame. But yeah, just make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and come back next time. Until then, we'll see ya.